Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to resubscribe to Mailchimp. So if anyone has unsubscribed from your audience, so I'll come and click on audience on the left hand panel, you can easily resubscribe them. So either they go back to the form and subscribe, just click on the subscribe button, or you can do this from your end as well. You toggle the subscription status here to email unsubscribed, okay? And then we'll scroll down here and we'll see all the contacts that have unsubscribed to us. So let's say this person right here, and I want to resubscribe them. So I'll just click on this check mark, and then I'll toggle this email subscription. I'll change this to subscribe. Okay. Now this contact will be updated to subscribe. So they'll be resubscribed, okay? Because they have unsubscribed from us. Click on subscribe contacts. There we go. And they have been successfully resubscribed to our email marketing. It's really that easy and simple.